Hello children, how are you all? Today we are going to learn about the sky. And tell me, where is the sky? Yes, it is on top, up. Okay, so we are going to learn about the sky. Okay, all of you have seen a sky, right? Yes. What all things you see in the sky? Come on, all of you think and answer me. If you see in the sky, what you see? Correct. Many of you see birds, right? Yes, when we fly kites, fly also go up in the sky, right? Then, correct, there are clouds. Then, yes, we see sun. Then what we see? When the sky turns dark, when it is night, what you see in the sky? Correct. Moon and then tiny things which twinkle. What is that? Stars. Okay, so today we are going to learn about the sky. We see sun, the sun. What we see in the sky during the day? Correct, sun. We see the sun, the moon and stars in the sky. What all things we see? We see the sun, we see the moon and the stars where? Correct, in the sky. Okay, and with that you see many birds also flying, right? Yes, and correct, yes, the plane also. Yes, aeroplane, helicopter, correct, very good. Okay, so these are the things we are going to learn about, okay? Now, look at the first picture. Okay, what is this? Yes, it is a sun. What it is, children? It is a sun. Okay, now we see the sun during the day. When we see the sun, at night you can see the sun? No. Then when we see the sun during the day, when there is daytime, when it is bright, we see sun. It gives us heat and light. What does sun give us? Yes, it gives us heat and light. Because of the sun, it will become day. If there is no sun, it will be dark, right? So, sun gives us heat and light. Why it gives us heat? Because when we are out in the sun, how we feel? We feel hot. Why? Because it gives us heat. Now, look at the next picture. What is this? Yes, this is a moon. And when you see the moon, correct, we see the moon at night. Where? Near your window. No. Yes, in the sky. But from the window you can see the sky, right? Yes. So, we see moon in the sky at night. When you see the moon, children? Yes, we see the moon in the sky at night. Yes, during night time we see the moon. And something else also you can see at the night, which you all enjoy seeing. But when you sit to count, you are able to count? No, because it is countless. What is that? Yes, it shines at night. What is that, children? Correct, stars. What it is, children? Stars. There are many stars in the sky. In the sky there are many stars. If you want to count, can you count? No, because there are many. But if you want to count the moon, can you count? Yes. Why? Because there is only one moon. But stars we cannot count because it is countless. There are many in number. Okay. There are many stars in the sky. They twinkle at night. Twinkle means they shine. They shine at night. At night when you see the sky, you like to see, right? Because there are many stars which shine, which twinkle. Okay. Now, here we are going to do few questions and then there is a blanks. Okay, so we are going to do that. Okay, now our first question is, what do we see in the sky at night? Now, you all already know what we see in the sky at night. So, what you are going to do? Yes, first you have to think well and then you are going to answer me. What you see in the sky at night? I think sun, right? No, then correct. We see moon and stars in the sky at night. What you see in the sky at night, children? Yes, we see moon and stars. Both the things we see in the sky at night, right? So, what we are going to write, children? We see moon and stars in the sky at night. Very good. Our next question is, what does the sun gives us? What does the sun give? Yes, that we also know, because just now only we studied that, right? The sun give us, come on, all of you have to think and answer me, right? Yes. What we get from the sun? We get heat and light. So, what does the sun give us? Correct. The sun give us heat and light. So, what we get from the sun? We get heat and light from the sun. So, here is the question, what does the sun give us? So, what we are going to write, children? The sun give us heat and light. Why? Because of the sun there is a day. So, it gives us light, right? And heat? Yes, when you go out in the sun, how you feel? You feel hot. Why? Yes, because it gives us heat. Correct? Okay, now here we are having a blank which we are going to do, right? So, all of you look here on the board. Now, the first blank is, we see dash during the day. Tell me, what you see in the sky during the day? Let me think. Moon? No, that we see at night. Then stars? No, that also we see at night. So, during the day, what we see, children? Correct. We see sun. What we see, children? Yes, we see sun during the day. So, what we are going to write here? We are going to write sun. So, all of you look here. S, U, N, sun. Okay. Now, our next blank is, we see moon at dash. Yes, this you know. When we see moon in the sky, correct, at night. When we see moon in the sky, at night. So, what we are going to write here, children? We are going to write night. Okay, we see moon at night. So, all of you look here. N-I-G-H-T, night. Okay. Now, the last blank. There are many dash in the sky. What are many? Night time it shines. What is that? Correct. Stars. What are that, children? Stars. So, there are many stars in the sky. So, here we are going to write S-T-A-R-S, stars. Okay. So, children, now you know about the sky. So, what you are going to do? Yes, you are going to be a good children, obey your parents and study well. Thank you.